ever wanted to zap your friend with a wand and poof, they're suddenly wearing a hat made entirely of toilet paper? No? Well, we definitely have.
A turkey head! And a color palette head!
Welcome to Wizard School, the super social, slightly chaotic, totally magical roleplay game where casting spells on your buddies is not just allowed, it's encouraged.
What? What have you done with my beautiful face? Turkey head.
At Wizard School, you don't just attend classes, you become the chaos. Be a mischievous student, a spell-slinging teacher, a power-hungry principal, or even the poor hall monitor trying to keep a lid on the madness. Oh, good luck with that!
Be whoever you want at Wizard School. Play as a curious student, a wise teacher, a sneaky hall monitor, or even the big boss principal.
Want to cast a custom spell? You can magically create your own wands by tossing wild ingredients into a bubbling cauldron. The possibilities? Endless. Then there's Broom Class, where you can craft your very own flying broom.
Craft special brooms and cause mischief. Some brooms go faster, fly higher, and cause extra chaos.
The more advanced you are, the faster, weirder, and more epic your ride becomes. Want to soar past the dorms in style? Better get brewing! But let's talk about what really makes this game magical. It's super social! Join Team Woofendog or Team Spicy Claw. Wear your house colors loud and proud and prank your way through the school. Cast hilarious spells on friends. Team up for mischief, or play the enforcer and hand out magical detentions. Every player in the game, student, teacher, hall monitor, principal, is a real person, which means everything is unpredictable, ridiculous, and endlessly entertaining. Oh, and yes, there are leaderboards, because nothing says wizard supremacy like tracking your magical mischief. So grab your wand, gather your crew, and prepare for spell-slinging, broom-flying, hat-summoning chaos in Wizard School, where every role is yours to play and every friend is fair game.